When disaster strikes or the wild calls, having the right firearm can mean the difference between survival and struggle. In 2026, survival guns are smarter, lighter, and deadlier than ever. From compact scouts to versatile carbines, these 10 rifles are must-have gear for anyone serious about staying alive, prepared, and in control. 10. Ruger Frontier Scout. The Ruger Frontier Scout is a powerful and compact bolt-action rifle built for shooters who need reliability in demanding conditions. Designed with practicality in mind, this rifle is ideal for hunting, scouting, and survival situations where performance and portability matter most. Built on Ruger's trusted M77 action, the Frontier Scout features a controlled round feed system that ensures smooth, consistent cycling. This makes the rifle extremely dependable, even in dusty, wet, or cold environments. Its short barrel and lightweight build allow for easy handling, quick movement, and comfortable carry during long outdoor trips. Accuracy is another strong point of the Ruger Frontier Scout. The cold hammer-forged barrel delivers excellent precision, while the solid receiver enhances stability during firing. The rifle also comes with integral scope mounts and supports a forward-mounted optic, giving it a true scout-style setup. This design improves target acquisition and keeps the shooter aware of their surroundings. The durable stock, available in synthetic or laminated wood, is built to withstand rough use while remaining comfortable in hand. Overall, the Ruger Frontier Scout is a versatile, accurate, and rugged rifle, perfect for hunters and shooters who demand dependable performance in a compact package. 9. Kel-Tec Survivor M-LOK. The Kel-Tec Survivor M-LOK is a modern, lightweight survival rifle designed for extreme conditions where portability and versatility are essential. Built with Kel-Tec's signature innovative approach, this rifle is perfect for survivalists, backpackers, and emergency preparedness enthusiasts. One of the key highlights of the Survivor M-LOK is its compact folding design, which allows the rifle to be easily stored in a backpack or vehicle without taking up much space. Despite its small footprint, the rifle remains sturdy and reliable, making it suitable for harsh outdoor environments. The polymer construction helps reduce weight while maintaining durability. The M-LOK handguard system is another major advantage. It allows users to attach accessories such as lights, grips, or optics, customizing the rifle for different survival scenarios. This modular setup gives the shooter flexibility without adding unnecessary bulk. In terms of performance, the Kel-Tec Survivor offers dependable accuracy for small game hunting, target practice, and emergency defense. Its simple operating system makes it easy to maintain and operate, even for less experienced shooters. Overall, the Kel-Tec Survivor M-LOK stands out as a compact, adaptable, and practical survival rifle, built for those who want reliability, customization, and portability in one rugged package. 8. Smith & Wesson Response Survival PCC. The Smith & Wesson Response Survival PCC is a compact, versatile pistol-caliber carbine designed for shooters who want a reliable and easy-to-handle firearm for survival, home defense, or recreational use. Built by Smith & Wesson, a name known for quality and innovation, the Response combines modern features with practical performance in a lightweight platform. Chambered in a pistol caliber, the Response PCC offers soft recoil and controllable handling, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls help shooters stay comfortable and confident behind the firearm, whether at the range or in high-stress scenarios. The carbine's compact size also makes it easy to transport and store, a key advantage for survival kits and bug-out bags. One of the standout features of the Response is its modular accessory friendliness. With a top rail and M-LOK slots along the handguard, users can mount optics, lights, grips, and other accessories to tailor the rifle to specific needs. This flexibility lets owners optimize the Response for training, precision shooting, or low-light situations. Durability is another strong point. The Response is built to withstand regular use and rough conditions while remaining easy to maintain. Overall, the Smith & Wesson Response Survival PCC blends reliability, adaptability, and user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable pistol-caliber carbine. 7. Savage Arms Nomad X. The Savage Arms Nomad X is a strong and reliable rifle made for hunters and outdoor shooters who want simple performance they can trust. It is designed for use in the field, especially during hunting trips where durability and accuracy are important. This rifle is built on Savage Arms' well-known bolt action system, which is smooth to use and very dependable. The bolt action helps the shooter fire each round with control and confidence. The Nomad X is lightweight, so it is easy to carry during long walks in forests or rough terrain. One of the key features of the Savage Arms Nomad X is its accurate barrel, which helps shooters hit their target more easily. The rifle also includes Savage's adjustable trigger system, allowing the shooter to set a comfortable trigger pull for better shooting control. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced hunters. The rifle usually comes with a strong synthetic stock that can handle rain, dust, and rough use. Its camo style finish helps it blend into natural surroundings, which is useful for hunting. Overall, the Savage Arms Nomad X is a simple, accurate, and dependable rifle. 6. CZ Scout Ranger 2026. The CZ Scout Ranger is a reliable and easy-to-use bolt-action rifle made by CZ's Česká Zbrojovka, a well-known Czech gun manufacturer. This rifle is designed for hunters, outdoor shooters, and anyone who wants a simple and dependable firearm for field use. It is strong, accurate, and easy to carry, making it perfect for long hunting trips or backcountry adventures. The rifle uses a bolt-action system, which means you manually open and close the bolt to load each round. This makes it very safe and reliable even in tough outdoor conditions. The bolt action also helps the rifle stay accurate shot after shot. The stock of the Scout Ranger is comfortable and lightweight, so it is easy to carry for long periods. Many models have a camouflage or rugged finish that blends well with natural surroundings, helping hunters stay hidden while tracking game. The rifle often comes with iron sights and a rail for mounting a scope, giving shooters options for precise aiming. It can be used for small to medium game hunting, target practice, or general outdoor shooting. Overall, the CZ Scout Ranger is a simple, accurate, and dependable rifle. It is built to perform well in the field and is suitable for both beginners and experienced shooters. 5. SIG Sauer Cross Survival Edition. The SIG Sauer Cross Survival Edition is a modern and reliable bolt-action rifle made by SIG Sauer, a well-known firearms company. This rifle is designed to be lightweight, strong, and easy to use, making it perfect for hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and survival situations where a dependable rifle is needed. It uses a bolt-action system, which means the shooter manually opens and closes the bolt to load each round. Bolt-action rifles are known for being very reliable and accurate, even in tough weather or rough conditions. The Cross Survival Edition is built to handle these challenges without losing performance. One of the main features of this rifle is its folding and adjustable stock, which makes it easy to carry and store. The stock can also be adjusted for a comfortable fit, helping shooters aim better and stay steady while shooting. The rifle has a match-grade trigger and a free-floating barrel, which help make shots more accurate. It also has a rail on top to attach a scope for better aiming at longer distances. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry on long hunts or during survival trips. Overall, the SIG Sauer Cross Survival Edition is a durable, accurate, and versatile rifle. It is ideal for anyone who needs a compact, easy-to-use firearm that performs well in the outdoors. 4. IWI ZION-SHTF. The IWI ZION-SHTF is a strong and reliable rifle made for tough situations where performance really matters. It is built by IWI, Israel Weapon Industries, a company known for making durable military-style firearms. This rifle is based on the AR-15 platform, which is popular because it is easy to use, easy to repair, and very versatile. The ZION-STF fires 5.56 NATO/223 rounds, which are common and easy to find. This makes it a good choice for training, home defense, and emergency or survival situations. The rifle is semi-automatic, meaning one shot fires with each pull of the trigger. One of its main strengths is its simple and rugged design. It has a free-floating handguard with M-LOK slots, allowing users to add accessories like lights, grips, or optics. The adjustable stock helps fit different shooters and makes the rifle comfortable to handle. The ZION-SHTF is known for good accuracy and low recoil, making it easier to control even for new shooters. Its strong barrel and internal parts are built to last under hard use. Overall, the IWI ZION-SHTF is a dependable, easy to use, and practical rifle, ideal for anyone looking for a solid firearm for serious use and survival planning. 3. Springfield Armory Waypoint Survival. The Springfield Armory Waypoint Survival is a reliable and lightweight bolt-action rifle made for hunters, shooters, and survival enthusiasts. It is built by Springfield Armory, a trusted American firearms company known for producing high-quality and durable guns. This rifle is designed to perform well in the field, whether you are hunting, training, or preparing for emergency situations. The Waypoint Survival uses a bolt-action system, which means you manually operate the bolt to load and fire each round. Bolt-action rifles are very dependable and accurate, even in harsh weather or rough conditions. The rifle is easy to handle and carry, making it great for long trips in the outdoors. One of the main features of the Waypoint Survival is its lightweight synthetic stock, which reduces the overall weight while providing a strong and durable platform. The rifle also has M-LOK slots for attaching accessories like bipods, lights, or grips. A Picatinny rail on top allows shooters to mount scopes for better aiming at longer distances. The Waypoint Survival comes in popular calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester, giving good power for hunting medium to large game. Overall, the Springfield Armory Waypoint Survival is a practical, accurate, and durable rifle, perfect for anyone who wants a reliable firearm for survival, hunting, or outdoor use. 2. FN Herstal Guardian-X. The FN Herstal Guardian-X is a strong and reliable rifle designed for serious use. It is made by FN Herstal, a well-known firearms company famous for producing durable and high-quality weapons. This rifle is built for people who want a simple, powerful, and dependable gun for training, defense, or survival situations. The Guardian-X is a semi-automatic rifle, meaning one shot is fired with each pull of the trigger. It uses a common rifle caliber that is easy to control and widely available. The rifle is designed to be easy to handle, even for new shooters, while still offering good performance for experienced users. One of the best features of the Guardian-X is its modern and practical design. It has a comfortable grip and an adjustable stock, allowing shooters to fit the rifle to their body. The handguard includes attachment points, so users can add accessories like a scope, flashlight, or grip if needed. The rifle is known for smooth shooting and good accuracy, making it suitable for target practice and real-world use. Its strong barrel and internal parts are built to last and handle regular use without problems. Overall, the FN Herstal Guardian-X is a simple, reliable, and versatile rifle. It is a solid choice for anyone looking for a tough firearm that performs well in many situations. 1. Ruger American Survival Pro 2026. The Ruger American Survival Pro 2026 is a modern and dependable rifle designed for hunters, outdoor shooters, and survival situations. Ruger made this gun to be strong, accurate, and easy to use even in tough conditions. It is built with survival and practicality in mind, making it a good choice for anyone who wants a reliable firearm for serious use. This rifle uses a bolt-action system, which means you manually work the bolt to load each round. Bolt-action rifles are known for being simple, dependable, and very accurate. The Survival Pro 2026 is easy to operate, so even new shooters can feel confident using it.